Hello, I'm back again. This is Will again from Say How You Feel Custom T-shirt and Soap Shop. Right now, I'm in the process of designing some shirts for some of my relatives back home in California. Um, so what I'm doing is getting ready to set the designs up now. It's just text, which is what I like the most, to be honest with you. And the great part about it is, like, I want to say five of them say the same exact thing. So I don't have to set their design up once. Let's see. So what I like to do is get the design. I'm on the Silhouette Cricket. I'm on the Silhouette Studio Business Edition, the Cameo. We ended up upgrading because we just needed to upgrade. We had the regular edition for a long time, but it was just time. So now we're gonna do this, and all they're gonna say is "oh well." So we're gonna design that. I do it this way so that I can go back and I can figure out where I'm at. Yeah, figure out where I'm at. Get the size right. You'll see why I'm definitely paying attention to the size because I'm using inroads, what they call inroads, and I don't know who y'all get our vinyl from. We actually planning to start doing vinyl, selling products. So what we're doing inroads because we want to. It's just easier when you're doing text. That way you don't waste a whole lot of vinyl. You kind of just do your words, and you'll see that when I start to cut. I'm gonna actually add that to this video. But I'm going through now and picking out the font that I want to use, and it's all females. So all the relatives that I'm doing this for is female. So I'm gonna try to find something a little, like something like this. Something like this. It's not bad. Uh, it's kind of girly, you know, kind of cute, kind of style. And the inroads are like 4 inches wide, and they, like I said, they're great for doing just text like this. You know, you don't have to cut off a whole sheet of vinyl because you might need the whole sheet for something else. So right now, I'm welding the letters together. Hold up, I know what I didn't do, and sometimes even I forget. Group them together so that way they move as a unit. Now, for this particular design, this is actually done. All I have to do is take the words, flip them over, and cut them. But I'm actually going to do all the designs at once so that I'm not having to go back and forth. Um, the next design is going to actually say it's actually three letters, four letters, and the four letters are STFU. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that together. And I realized just a few minutes ago that they didn't give me the size for one of the shirts. So I'm gonna have to uh, get that before I'm finished, and that's okay. And later on, I'm trying to decide because part of this order is actually 8 mugs. So I'm going to actually get the mugs together too. Uh, I won't put that on this video. I'm going to actually video it, but I'm going to put them on a different video so that I can show you how to do custom mugs. If any of y'all are interested in doing mugs, that's a sublimation. It's a totally different process. So, because this is all for all women, I'm just gonna try to find something that looks good. My other phone is going off, so my wife's phone is going off, so I have to. She's getting that. I'm going to continue putting this design together and try to get these letters. My computer's acting stupid. Kind of froze up on me. I want something. They want all capital letters, so I'm trying to find something that's feminine, but I can also do it in capital letters that's understandable writing and things like that. So if it seems like I'm doing a lot of scrolling, I like that. But I don't think it's feminine enough. So just, keep going until you find what you're looking for. And once you find what you're looking for, you go ahead and set that up to be cut. And sometimes I might do two layer. All right, this doesn't look bad. Let me see how this would look if I, because some of the letters are actually touching each other. So if I kind of weld them together so that they blend. And all programs should have some type of welding situation, So I guess this is not bad. Stretch it out just a little more, get as close to possible so it at least has some height to it. Yeah. I like that. I like that a lot. And so I'm surprised at them doing it in glitter because I said I can do it in just white vinyl. But because, I don't know, I just kind of want to do it in glitter. And make it look different. Make sure you save all of it, just because anything can happen. So I'm going to actually go back and save each one just in case my computer shuts down or something, anything like that. And I already have it saved up. Yeah. And then I'm going to open this last one up. This one I thought I did, but I didn't do it. I actually just did a mock. So what I'm going to do is do the design. I'm going to do it, and then I'll pick the font and all that good stuff. Like I always do. Everybody has their own style and their own thing to do. I prefer to do it this way because it's just easier. It's just like cutters. Everybody has their own preferred cutter. I have a friend of mine who has one of the big boys, the 30, I think it's 30 inch or whatever cutter, 30-foot cutter, whatever. I don't see a need to get that. My clientele does not require that. And this is what I try to tell people. You get what your clientele requires. Because ultimately, that's who's going to be buying your equipment is your clientele. Because if you don't make any money, you're not going to sell anything. And you want the name of the game is to sell stuff and make money. So you definitely want to get what your clientele can sustain and what is going to bring you more money. You don't have to live like the Joneses. You do not have to get into this business. You do not have to try to be what you're not. I know people who think, okay, I gotta get the craft tech or get the rolling cutter and all this. They're neat. They're great to get if you can afford it. But at the same time, it's not something that I feel like if you don't get it, you're not going to lose anything. I've had a Silhouette. I have the 1 and the 2. I'm actually going to get the 3, but not because my 1 and 2 are not, viable or because they're not working or they're not great products. but because the 3 just does, it allows me to get rolls, and I can cut from a roll versus cutting from something else. You know, I can cut from a roll and save vinyl. I'm trying to remember what this vinyl is, so I can just type it in, and that way I don't have to. So I can do this right here. Set this up, and the great part about it is, you know, you cut the vinyl out, you weed it, press it on the shirt, you're done. So I go ahead and I weld this together, group it, weld this together, group it, and I like to double check and see, make sure I got everything where it's supposed to be. Bring it down slightly. Alright, and then I group them together. Flip it. So these are done. So what I'm going to have to do is switch to my Canon and go handheld and cut these right quick. And once I finish that, I'll go ahead and cut these. So I'm going to show this how to weed it. Once I finish that, I'm going to, some of them I'm going to press. I realized that I forgot some of the shirts in my other spot. So stay tuned. I'm on my way back. Be safe. See you soon. So this is right now, I'm cutting the designs out. You gotta make sure it's reversed. I'm doing it on glitter. You'll see it once I get through with it. I'm not gonna show that how I cut all of them out, or how I weed all of them out, because that's just to make a long video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this out. This is why I made the design this way, as far as the way I did it, because ultimately, you have a small space, but it's big enough to put just words or whatever. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, once I take it up here, I'm gonna set it up so you can see me weed it out. Hey, how you doing? I'm putting all these videos together. I don't quite know how they're gonna go again, just in case I didn't put it in there right. But I should have. But anyway, I'm Will from Say How You Feel Custom T-Shirt and Soap Shop. Again, this is the same project that I did with the live video, or the video I did with the on the computer, but I'm gonna smash them all together. But anyway, let's go ahead. So this is the cutout already. I showed you the cutout. So now I'm going to weed it, and I have a couple of these to do. And I just don't get those videos where some people put, they're weeding and cutting every shirt they have to do out. And the concept is still the same. I can see you doing different types of shirts, solely because you never know. Give a person an idea, but the whole video, me cutting and weeding the same design, I don't really see the purpose in that. And although this design did differ slightly, because there's some other things, it's all text. It's all glitter plate. Now, if you have the Silhouette cutter. At least the Silhouette 2, Silhouette 3, 1. I would advise when you cut glitter plate, what we've learned over our time of doing this is that if you cut it on a 30 depth, what'll happen is it will cut a lot better, it'll weed a lot better, and it'll weed a lot faster for you. I'm using a straight weeder tool. There's several different kinds of weeding tools you can use. I used to like the one with the yellow handle. I don't know what it's called, because it has a nice little hook. But when I tried this one, I kind of fell in love with this because it kind of makes my weeding a lot quicker. I don't know if it's because I've been doing it long enough that it moves faster. I don't know if it's because my designs are cut a lot better, that now they weed a lot easier. But I know ultimately I enjoy this one a lot more. You know, I'm able to pick it a little better. So that's always a plus. You know, get it in, take the vinyl off and call it a day. Yeah, I know I said I wasn't going to do all these at the same time, but since I'm here talking, I figured I might as well. You know, so I'm just placing these here. And getting these designs done so that I can go ahead and press them. And then I'm going to show you me pressing one of the shirts. I think the rest of the shirts I'm not going to press today, so because I have some more runs to make this evening, and I want to take care of that. So in order to do that, I need to go ahead and get out of here. So I'm at my shop. So I'm not. Now I was going to do a video today on, and I'll probably do it. My setup I have at home. I have two setups. So my setup at home, I'll probably do it there, and I want to do. It's a package deal that I'm going to put together for people. I've had people asking me about starting a t-shirt company, so I'm putting together a package deal to where they can. I'll sell them a t-shirt setup, and based off of what their needs are and what they're trying to get, because you really don't need, you know, a lot of things to get started. Getting started just means, you know, the basic things you can go with one or two ways. You can go the inkjet route, or you can go the vinyl route. So that kind of just depends on the idea which way you want to go, you know, and you can kind of do both. It just depends on what your finances will allow you to do at the time that you decide to get started. You know, I ended up doing, when I started back doing t-shirts, I ended up going I started off with the inkjet route, because at the time that someone wanted me to do a t-shirt, someone asked me to do t-shirts for, it was for a party we were having with one of the organizations I belong to. So I started back with the inkjet route, and I was not a big fan of vinyl, I'll be honest. When I first started back, I was not a big fan of vinyl until I realized, you know, you needed it. It kind of goes hand in hand. You can't, in this day and age, you know, do vinyl. I mean, do shirts and not do vinyl. Now, one day I would sit down and really go back, you know, to how long I've been heat pressing things, and that goes back many moons. And that kind of goes back to when I was, you know, my third job back in California. And I'll talk about why I learned how to first use the heat press. You know, my dad actually was the first person to teach me how to use the heat press. And, you know, he was the one that got me the job, and, you know, got me going with this business. I did not realize then what I decorativeness of it. You know, and I look back and I think if I had just kept going then, where would I be? But it's okay, you know. Everybody has a purpose, God has a purpose. Sometimes you gotta go through some things to understand what your purpose is. So, you know, but we'll get into that. As you can see, it's peeling away pretty easy with no real headaches. You know, there's a time, like, and each cutter is different. So when you get your cutter, you're gonna have to figure out which way your cutter cuts. And that's you know, goes with trial and error. You're gonna mess up some product. You know, even with just, you know what I'm saying, inkjet transfers, you gotta trial and error. Now the thing about it is, some of the stuff that we're gonna offer with our packages, you know what I mean, we will be offering packages that offering tutorials with those packages. Basically, you'll be able to call me, and I'll give you, if you need help, I'll kind of talk you through what you need to do. I'll talk you through how you need to get it done. We're also going to be doing selling vinyl and things of that nature. You know, for those who, you know, choose to purchase with us. You know, we're building our website as we speak, and we plan on launching that the first of the year. And like I said, we have several different products we do, but our main thing is primarily customization of other products. You know, I'll tell you how I got back into this as a whole when I had the other conversation. So we just wanted to go ahead and show you guys, you know, step by step what goes into making a shirt. You know, what goes into the weeding process, what goes into the cutting process, from design to finish. And as you can see, that's the last one that needs to be weeded. So what I'm going to do is take you over to the heat press and press one of the shirts so that you can go ahead and see how that looks. So stay tuned, be right back. So what I'm doing now is folding this design in half, the back way, so I don't get it to stick to each other. I'm doing that. I go ahead and I place the design up here. And this is just the way that I do it. Making sure I'm doing it long enough that I know where to put it at. And then I place the other half of my T-square right here. Make sure everything's level. I don't always do this, but you know, for this purpose I will. I'll take those off. Check it again. I like to just make sure everything is straight. Another thing you can do is this right here. Make sure it's even on both sides. You can make sure it's even on both sides. I have 3 fingers on there. Make sure the shirt is straight. And mine is at 366 for 8 seconds. Peel it. So what I like to do is go ahead and hit it twice to make sure that it's in there real good, so when they wash it, you don't have any complaints or have any problems. Alright. So this is how the shirt comes out. Hold on a second. Oh well. So this is the finished product, from program to cutting to weeding to pressing of the shirt. So if you have any other questions, just inbox me or leave a message at the end or in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, share the video. I'd love to know what you think. So go ahead and keep saying how you feel. Have a good day.